Hi everyone, I'm Samantha and this is my Module 8 fact sheet. For question 1, one answer that I got right and one answer that I got wrong. One answer that I got right was question 5, which was having a favorite artist and the ability to support them by buying their work. I answered upper class, and I wasn't surprised that the answer for this one was upper class because art gets extremely expensive extremely fast. This past summer, my family and I went on a cruise, and there was an art gallery, so we attended an art auction just to see what it would be like. Um, some people were bidding into the 10,000 plus range, and it just got like really expensive very fast. And it was just really shocking to see. But I get it because when art's nice and you really like it, you'll pay a decent amount for it. And then one answer that I got wrong was question 1, which was knowing how to get someone out of jail. After I saw that poverty was the answer, it made sense, but the answer was still a bit surprising to me. So for 2, why I chose upper class for question 1. I chose upper class because I feel they would have the tools, resources, and connections to get someone out of jail a lot easier compared to the middle or lower class. Although those who are in poverty are more likely to go to jail, I feel like they would have a harder time accessing the tools needed, such as bail or lawyers, etc., to get out of jail, while the upper class could easily access these things. I also felt like the upper class has better access to connections that would keep their circle out of jail to begin with, which also led me to choose upper class for this question. For question 3, why I chose upper class for question 5. I chose upper class for this question because, as I stated earlier, art is extremely expensive, and the thousands of dollars that people were spending on the cruise honestly is not much compared when it comes to other famous artists and how much their artwork goes for. Having the ability to have authentic, original works of art is rare, but it's also a privilege. It's also a privilege. So they get to really dictate how much they want to charge, and there's obviously going to be a nice price tag that comes along with the artwork. Um, for question 4, why the upper class is able to support artists. In my opinion, the most obvious answer is money. The upper class is made up of wealthy individuals, so it makes sense that they can have favorite artists and also support them more so than the other classes can. Like, anyone can have a favorite artist, but being able to spend $50,000 on a painting isn't really something that most of us can do. Um, Aside from having more wealth, the upper class could also have connections that could give them easier access to supporting their favorite artists. These connections and friendships could get them possible discounts, allow them to display the art on a loan, or other potential deals that are most likely only to happen within an inner circle, most likely made up of close, wealthy friends.